Because this is like the coolest thing ever. I saw you last week and I said, we need those lamps on What a Girl Wants, and Chad was out of town.
We love these. I'm so sorry, but they rescheduled me for this week.
I know, we got you back anyway. So I just want you to know how hard I work to bring you some products that I know you're gonna love. And you have loved our other Bell+Howell color changing lights. Here's what you're getting. You're getting 3 lamps for the price of 1. Everyone is getting 3 color changing lamps. Each one of these lamps has 16 different colors. Every single lamp has 16 different colors, and they have different modes. So you can get 3 lamps and you can have them all set at 3 different colors. How amazing is that? Now, the only choice you have tonight is what shape do you want? We have 4 different shapes of the lamp to choose from. You might want more than one shape, and you might want more than one set. So let's walk everyone through the shapes. The first one, which is kind of like, almost like a pillar candle shape, this one is called Topaz.
Beautiful.
Look how pretty that is. And you get all 3 for the price of 1 of these at retail. 1 lamp is around $19. We're giving you 3 for $19.99. This is a $57 value. Our next shape is called
Ruby.
Crystal?
Ruby.
Ruby.
My favorite.
This one is called Ruby. Now, that's not the color, that's just the shape. How would you describe this shape to everyone?
Classic, elegant. It is our most elegant design in terms of, I like to say, old money. That is the Ruby. It throws off the best pattern. I'll show you the patterns on a white table here in a little bit because that reads the best on our camera. But that is my favorite, and it's been our #1 seller every show that we've had. This is only our 3rd show, and probably our final.
It's like a fancy wine glass. So that shape is called Ruby. Everybody gets all the color changing properties in every single lamp. Everyone's getting 3 for 20 bucks. Okay, this one is called?
The Crystal.
The Crystal.
And that one looks just like a real lamp. And I like that because if you're a classic home person, you want it to look like a real lamp, no crazy shapes, this one is for you. Sarah's figured it out very easily. I tend to use the lazy man's way, the remote control. You can touch it, of course, and go through all the colors.
That's right. You're getting a cordless rechargeable lamp, and you're getting the remote control. Our 4th choice is called?
Oh, this is called the Emerald. Basically like the Topaz, but with a stem on it.
Okay.
And which I absolutely love. If you have a modern home, if you design modernly, a lot of clean lines, this is our cleanest line look.
All right, you go into your demos and show everybody what this is.
Well, Sarah did a great job because, yes, you can touch them, absolutely, but you get that.
I practiced that at home, the touching.
Hey, James, if you go overhead with that shot right there, you'll see the pattern it throws off on the tables, on your shelves. That's the Ruby you're looking at.
Wow, that's like looking at like, you know, Waterford crystal or something.
Exactly right. So think of your china cabinets, think of your glassware cabinets, things like that. It's gonna match your crystal decor. It looks like real cut crystal. It is not. It is acrylic, which we love, especially at this price point, of course. Actually, let's run over to James because
go on over.
I think it's really important to show the design because the way they're cut makes it magic and throws off. So this is the Ruby, and again, I could change that to any color. We're just doing white to keep it nice and clean. Let me take the Ruby away. Maybe you like the crystal, that classic lampshade design. Look at how that whole spread, look, it's just the lamp. That's not a pattern into the table. That's not paint. You have a party coming over, you want to put it on fade mode and have it gently, softly go through all the colors. You can create any sort of scape. How about the Topaz? Because I got a few designs to show off. And that Topaz is absolutely fantastic, but Sarah showed you just how easy it is to use. If you tap through there, oh, and one more, the Emerald. Let me grab an Emerald.
Because go grab an Emerald.
The Emerald
so
is,
all you're doing is choosing your shape. Check them all out online at hsn.com. Perfect for every little cubby, every little bookshelf, and you don't need to plug them in.
That's right. And so this is the Emerald, which I think is beautiful. It gives you the Topaz, big spread of design, but brings it up a little higher and more elegant. Look at the way that shines and shimmers. And if you want to, just tap, tap, tap. 4 different modes, from jump to fade to smooth.
Oh, smooth.
I always forget that one. I have to look at them. smooth.
Oh, Chad, that should just be natural to you. You're a smooth guy.
That's right, exactly.
And so once you make your choice, you're getting 3 lamps for $19.99. Are they all separately boxed?
All separately boxed.
Do you have 3 remotes?
3 remotes.
Do you have 3 charging cables?
3 USB-C charging cables. Wow. If you want to charge your phone with it, you go ahead. How much would it cost you for 3 charging cables, which I just think
probably
is...
the price of entry. So this is actually a little surprise that Chad Allen found just for us tonight on What a Girl Wants. We're down to our final quantities. He called this a closeout and said, well, don't get used to this price for 3 lamps is basically what he was telling me. I want to go through all the choices again because really the table's best for giving you sort of the aerial view of all the light play, but over here I can show you how each of those styles work. So the one that you're looking at right there, that's called Topaz. If you want the shorter kind of pillar style candle, order Topaz. Every single lamp has 60 different colors and all those different modes. And
the Topaz,
different
think about your countertops where you don't have a lot of space.
Yeah.
Maybe the side table, but it's not a joke, but like the back of the toilet could use a light, a great little night light, or on the kitchen sink. That's going to be your smallest compact.
Okay, and then we go right next to our next trio. This one is our
Ruby.
Ruby.
Ooh, my favorite.
This is the Ruby style. They all have 16 colors. This is like a fancy glass of champagne or that beautiful toast that you make at a wedding. So this style has the most facets, I would say.
Yeah.
If this was a stone, this would be a diamond because it has all those beautiful facets. That would be that princess cut that really reflects the light all the way around. One of these is $19. You're getting 3 for the price of 1. Separately boxed, separate remotes, separate cables. You can keep one, gift 2. They're going very, very quickly now. This style is called...
Oh, that's the crystal.
Crystal.
That's the classic lampshade design. Yep. We love that a lot.
Isn't that really, really pretty? I can see that just looking so beautiful. This is almost like a little bedside table lamp. You could leave them on or you can tap them as you come and go into a room.
But it looks like glass. I mean, all the way down to the base. I mean, we took the acrylic all the way to the base, so it looked like it was full glass. Exactly.
These look just absolutely gorgeous. This is our
emerald.
Emerald.
And the emerald is like, if you love that green emerald city, this is modern, this is clean, this is very elegant design in the terms of vertical lineage lining. If you're looking for that tall, slender space, a cabinet, a bookshelf, things like that, you can flank your books with it if you want. How about we go just to white? Okay. All the classic white is just absolutely gorgeous. You don't have to have any color at all, but we do give you 16 colors along with the flash, the strobe, the fade, and the smooth. Oh, and 6 brightness modes. You can dim them down or dim them all the way back up to a kiss of light to a full-fledged lamp.
Look how pretty they are. So if you are setting on a lower table, then you get that cascade. Maybe it's a little coffee table.
Yeah.
Maybe it's a side table. Maybe it's an entryway. Maybe it's like a centerpiece on your dining room table. I mean, you can't even get a candle. You can't buy 3 candles for $19.99.
How about that ruby?
And if you did, they wouldn't last very long.
Right, and this is a power outage. This is the best for sure, but also when you're having friends and family gather. You don't want to have extension cords. You don't have outlets in places where you're serving the buffet. This is the Topaz. I'm going to replace the ruby with the Topaz. Maybe you want to take them outside dining with you. They can go everywhere you are. They are not meant to live outside, but if you are dining outside and you're going to be there, these can be there.
Oh, I love that idea.
Yeah.
Outdoor, dining, sit outside on your patio or just decorate the areas of your home that are really hard to decorate because you don't have to have a cord connected to the lamps.
You absolutely can, though.
You charge it ahead of time?
You charge it ahead of time. It lasts 7 hours on the brightest setting. So if you dim it down, which again, let me show you that. So that's the highest, 1 level, lower, 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 lower.
Ooh, that could be like a little night light.
Like a little kiss of light, a little night light at the end. But even if you want to put these on the stairs leading up to your house when friends or family are coming together, you could put it on green for St. Patrick's Day, red for Valentine's Day. You could put it on orange or yellow as we get into spring. Put it on blue if there's somebody's birthday.
These are $6 each.
That's amazing.
Okay, $6. Do you know I spent more than that on a sandwich? And my smoothie was like $8 yesterday.
I'm not surprised.
You can spend $8 on a smoothie. I don't even get like the fancy smoothie. I don't get the extra protein.
Do you know the joke around here with Bell+Howell?
No.
We're inflation proof.
Inflation proof.
They always say,
I think that explains it perfectly because I think we're going like back in time. These are $6, okay? $6 each. They're usually about $20 each. So you're getting 3 for the price of 1. I love it. On a piano, on a kitchen counter. I don't have fancy kitchen counter lighting, but I could put these and they would look so pretty.
Anywhere you want. They are LED technology, which means they last at least 50,000 hours. You never replace a light bulb. You never replace a battery. You charge them up. Once the battery dies, you recharge them up. If you want to leave it on your kitchen counter all the time, plugged in, 24 hours, 7 days a week, you can leave it plugged in the entire time. You're never worried about it. If you don't like where you put it, you can just move it around. You are not married to where you put it. They are not tethered together. They are not wired together. You can give 2 away and keep 1 if you like to.
Okay, it's a relationship that you can break up with at any time. I love that, right? You don't have, if you're afraid of commitment, this is the perfect lamp for you. Change your mood, change your mind, change the color, put it somewhere else. Put it in your office. Maybe you work from home and you try to keep it like a little relaxed, chill vibe. Maybe you just want to decorate your cubicle at work. Maybe you want to just put it in your locker. Maybe you want to decorate the, kids love these.
Oh, the dorm?
Teenagers love these.
The dorm room,
the
for
dorm.
sure. Oh,
I mean,
the bubble bath?
A bubble bath.
Turn off those big lights.
I knew you were smooth, Chad.
Oh, yeah, that's the smooth. That's where you use smooth. You turn off those bathroom big lights. You just use this little lamp for your bubble bath.
Because I mean, even if I have a candle, sometimes someone gives you a candle, you're like, I don't like the smell, I don't like the fumes, I don't like to worry if I'm going to remember to blow it out before I leave the house. Let's go through all the shapes. Really, all you're picking is the shape of the lamp. Everyone is getting 3 lamps. Every single one of the lamps goes through all the 16 shades. And then all the 16 shades also have different modes. You can have them go through different modes. You can pick different colors for each lamp. Each one is $6 basically here. $6 and change. For $19.99, you get 3. They're individually boxed. This is the shape that we're calling Topaz. It's like a pillar candle, except it's a lamp. And you don't ever have to buy batteries. They're rechargeable. How many you get? I would get more than 1 set because these are going to be so much fun. This is like a decorator's dream house right here. I almost want to pick this up and toast to someone. And these are so pretty. This one is called the
Ruby.
The Ruby.
Turn them all on white there.
Extra glam. If you want the extra glam, if you want the most facets, if you want the most sort of elegant shape, order Ruby.
And that's always been the lead for the first 2 shows.
Okay.
And my pick. That one's my favorite.
And these are selling out, by the way. This is it. 2 minutes. We're going to move on. This is what we're calling...
Oh, the crystal.
The crystal choice. And this is like kind of a more traditional and really timeless design. Still faceted, still beautiful. They look like glass.
They really do.
Oh my gosh, but they're light as a feather.
They're acrylic.
And then this one is our...
Oh, that's the emerald.
Emerald. Okay, I think I like the emerald.
The emerald should be on green, right?
Yes, there you go.
And I just used that remote control. You can of course touch the top as Sarah's been doing, but I just use that remote because that's the easiest. If you ever lose the remote, of course you can just tap, tap, tap.
Let me